3, 2, 1.
What year did Baddeley discover episodic memory? The answer is D, 1966. Where's the narrator likely to end up next? The answer is C, the narrator will likely travel to Aoto. When did Rhodesia become Zimbabwe? The answer is B, 1980. What may happen during a meet-up with waves? The answer is D, we explore odd and interesting locations. White and dark spots on skin. How would you do this? The answer is A, scrub spot with plum skin. When did John Melody, the town crier of Southampton, pass away? The answer is D, 2014. What year's Polo supporters said that the Tottenham rivalry was greatest? The answer is D, 2008. The college that Amherst Lord Jeffs represent was founded in what year? The answer is B, 1821. How many wards are there in Southampton? The answer is A, 16. Why did Joey and Justin knock on their door aggressively? The answer is C, they wanted to get their attention. When was the first traffic light erected? The answer is B, 1868. When was the blue rose adopted as a symbol? The answer is C, 1986. Why would the narrator have to go to the Korean city of Suwon? The answer is B, they are meeting some fellow travelers there. How many kings of France were named Louis? The answer is C, 18. What is the reason for this post? The answer is pet. What is the best bun for hamburgers? How would you do this? The answer is A brioche bun is the tastiest bun. Why don't I care when my car hit the car beside me? The answer is A, because it is an abandoned car. A young man clips the hair of several older men in an outdoor barber chair. The man cutting hair, what happens next? The answer is A, is inside a barber shop talking. We see a man at the top of the mountain. We see writing stating the camera was dropped. The man, what happens next? The answer is D, films his face as he slides down the hill. A man walks by the camera. Several people are getting close to the bull trying to catch the action. The bulls. What happens next? The answer is A. Begin to chase each other around the field. If the narrator went home after their conversation with Eric, what would have been the safest way for them to travel? The answer is D. The narrator could take an Uber or a cab home. How many valence electrons are contained in an atom of uranium? The answer is A. 6. How many finalists are on this season? The answer is C. 13. A boy is standing in the woods with another boy. He lights a fire, then throws it at a pile. The two boys. What happens next? The answer is D. Stare at the pile while it burns. In which year was the United Nations founded? The answer is D. 1945. What will the narrator do after getting to the office? The answer is C. The narrator will rush their actions. When did Armenia begin winning Olympic medals? The answer is A. 1952. When did FC Bayern Munich first win Olympic medals? The answer is B. 1952. When Malaysian Airlines flight MH17 was brought down by hostile fire over East Ukraine on 17 July 2014, what was the death toll of passengers and crew? The answer is A. 298. How many Hemingkner does Armenia have? The answer is B. 915. To cut a ring out of plywood, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a hacksaw. When were the islands annexed by Napoleon Bonaparte? The answer is C. 1816. To transfer a pencil sketch to a digital one, how would you do this? The answer is A. Recreate the sketch in an app. What may be a reason for implanting a stick in your body? The answer is A. For birth control. When did light bulb manufacturers establish a cartel to limit bulb life? The answer is B. 1924. With whom was I keeping a kill score? The answer is C. Mosquitoes. In what year did Nintendo reveal the start of development on what would become the Wind Waker? The answer is C. 2003. When was the Battle of Washburn fought? The answer is B. 1791. When was the law of the Eastern Catholic Churches promoted? The answer is A. 1990. Why would the narrator feel the need to eat a big lunch? The answer is A. The narrator was tired from looking for bargains. What religion may we be currently practicing? The answer is C. Christianity. When was the second British patent for using bitumen issued? The answer is A. 1834. People are riding horses on a field, a dog and a person. What happens next? The answer is B. Cross in front of the camera. Why has the narrator suddenly become so efficient? The answer is A. They discovered hotkeys. Why did you pull out a cigarette and quickly light it? The answer is B. Because you are addicted to cigarettes. In what year did Doris Kearns Goodwin release her first book? The answer is A. 2011. Why was I at physical therapy? The answer is C. I need to work on my strength. In what year did the Black Death originate in Central Asia? The answer is C. 1343. When was the Battle of Little Big Horn fought? The answer is A. 1876. In which year was the Falklands War?